Here's how to turn ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude into your personalized writing assistant to help with blogs, reports, college essays, white papers, and so much more. First, bring together your best writing samples into a Google or Word doc that encapsulate your preferred tone, style, and voice. Use existing blogs, reports, essays, or even your college thesis. Provide headers to separate each of these and use at least 5, ideally 10. Next, upload the doc into a new conversation using a prompt that asks the AI to summarize your writing style. If you're using Gemini, copy and paste the samples as they do not currently support the uploading of docs. Finally, provide the chatbot with an outline for your next writing assignment that clearly articulates your point of view. Do this in the same conversation you have been working in, and tell the chatbot to write the article in your tone, style, and voice. Assuming you provided your ideas and point of view, the draft output should be close to 80% complete. Don't ever expect or allow AI to be the only participant in the final output. Now, the ball is in your court to make it something you are proud to publish. Make sure to review the draft to ensure it is factually accurate, in line with your point of view, and uniquely yours in style and tone. One note, because of all of the inputs that went into this article, from your own writing samples to your own outline and ideas, the chance of the resulting article having any plagiarized content is quite low. However, always do one final check for plagiarism in one of the many checkers out there. And that's it. You can now start your next assignment or go out for drinks to celebrate all you accomplished today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tips on how to use AI to maximize your impact. See you next time.